welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine, lead stylist and CEO of Jazz Beauty Bar. Thank you so much for continuing to rock with me. I know I've been absent from YouTube for a few months now, but I am so glad to be back. Hello to all of my new subscribers, and if this is your first time watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my updated routine on how I install my lace frontal wigs. And I will be using adhesive, and I'm using none other than the amazing Bold Hold products. As you can see, you can't even read the name on here because I've been using it that much. So without further ado, let's get into the video. As you can see, I already have my hair pre-braided, so I did not record that part on camera. I am going to be installing this. This is a full lace frontal. This is a 16-inch Brazilian curly. Oh, it smells so good. And I've already cut the lace off of the back. And this is the lace from the front. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Time doing this part just because you want to make sure that the cap is completely molded down. So if you are going to be doing this technique, do not rush it. Please do not rush it. Just make sure you take your time. And as you can see, I'm molding my cap down in sections because I don't want to do the entire whole thing. I want to just do everything, you know, in parts. So be sure that you are taking your time. It's not a rush, honey. Not a rush. I am all molded down. This is what the ball cap should look like after you have used the Got to Be Freeze Spray. Okay. So next, I'm going to take some alcohol and clean around my edge line. Going to cleanse the skin before I apply my Bold Hold Extreme Cream. So before we get into that, I am now going to color this cap to match more of my skin tone. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills medium contour cream palette. So let's get right into it. So I'm all done, and all of this is going to just give an illusion to make the wig that you're wearing, or if you're doing a frontal sew-in, it's going to make it look natural. So let me show you guys what I mean. So you can't really tell that much, but it's going to give this a realistic scalp, or an illusion of a realistic scalp. Okay? Yes, honey. Yes. Before I even get into applying the Bold Hold products, the first thing that I need to do on my wig unit is trim my lace. Okay, all of this has to go. You only want to leave about 1/8 of lace out. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim up my lace. So I'm just gonna slide that baby on back so we can get into applying this adhesive. What I'm going to do, this is the Bold Hold tape. I'm gonna put this on my sides. I'm still gonna do the cream right here, but I'm gonna actually put like a piece of tape right here on the side. So taking a tab, and I'm cutting that one tab in half so I can put one on each side. So I'm gonna let these tabs just kind of sit until I'm ready to take the white part off. It is double-sided, so I'm just gonna leave it on there. And now I'm going to do my cream. The biggest mistake with this is people want to apply a lot when the instructions clearly say apply a thin layer.
A thin layer.
I'm actually going to use my fingers for this. Want to apply thin layers is because this layer has to dry before you cake on, or before you put on a second or third layer. You can apply the cream up to 7 layers. So it has to be clear, honey. Clear. You see how that's starting to get clear? Has to be clear. So give it a minute. Okay, so now that that layer has completely dried, I'm going to apply my second coat, or my second layer. I don't know why I keep saying coat like it's paint. I'm going to apply my second layer. Y'all heard Cardi B new album? Let me play y'all my favorite, maybe like second favorite. let me tell you why this my son while it's drying, because it's almost dry. If you're from Memphis, you have to appreciate bacon head because it's a rendition of chicken head. Project Pat. Bark, bark, chicken, chicken. Chicken head. Get some bread. Okay, back to the program. I want to get ratchet. So, you know when it's time to apply your lace. And let me line this up. When it's tacky. You see that? That's how you know it's ready. Okay? See how it's popping right back up? That's how you know it's ready. I'm using these duck clips to make sure that there's no little pieces of hair flying anywhere to get stuck. Okay, make sure this is lined up where I want it to be, and I'm gonna start in the middle, and I'm just gonna gently place my lace. I'm just going to go back in and press my lace in on the part that I've attached down. Y'all can see that's already looking good. It's already looking good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my other side off camera, and I will be back to show you guys the end result. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm back, and this is the complete look from the full lace frontal unit that I did install from Jazz Beauty Bar. This hair will be perfect for the upcoming summer, any festivals or vacations that you may be going on with your family or your boo. Yes. I'm really happy with the installation. As you can see, I do have some, light baby hairs, nothing too adult-ish, very light. But overall, I am fully satisfied. Tonight, I am going to wet this down a little bit so that it won't be so big. Because here in Houston, the humidity is just a lot. So, but I definitely love this look. Tomorrow this lace is going to look amazing. Okay, it takes 24 hours for the boho products to, you know, really cure into your skin. So tomorrow it's gonna look so good, y'all. So good. I'm gonna take some pictures, so make sure you follow me on Instagram at Jazz Beauty Bar. You can see all of my pictures there. But thank you guys for watching today's video. Again, I am so excited to record new videos and new content for you guys. If there's anything that you would like to see, make sure you comment below and let me know what it is that you want to see. Be sure that you're following me on Instagram at Jazz Beauty Bar. Be sure to like my business page on Facebook, Jazz Beauty Bar. And if you're interested in a custom wig unit, check out our website, jazzbeautybar.com. Until next time, thank you guys for watching. See you later.